Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Tellurian INC, TELLURIAN, ticker symbol TELL, and this is a company with a decent size of more than $1.5 billion of market cap, and more so over a mixed kind of fundamental because this is related to energy sector, oil and gas. So obviously you can't expect a steady fundamental over here. What's good although is how the price has moved, and overall if you are holding it for the past 1 year you have earned more than 100% as far as this stock is concerned. Apart from that, there are some short ratios which been building up. So as you can see, the current short interest ratio is nearly 4.8. So there is something which has been building up. Hopefully it will help the price on the positive side rather than on the negative side. So let's see what we have here apart from that. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all notification button to get the notification of all my upcoming videos. Now apart from that, if you are looking at the coverage in a 2001 from Jan to July, most of them are in line to outperform from underweight to equal weight. So both of them are on the positive side, right? So that's one good thing. Apart from that, if you look at the insider trading, so from February till March there has been selling, but in April and in November there are buys that has happened. So 200,000 shares, and then we have 100,000 share, and then we have 20,000 shares that has been bought very recently in November 10th. So this is at least a good indication. Apart from that, if you are checking out this recent news, so what you can see, collaborative investment series trust by this company. So collaborative investment series trust current portfolio, and in the added position you can see the name of Tellurian. So they are holding or they are adding this stock in their position. So this is also one of the news which we can see. So let's quickly go to the chart and let's see what's happening over there. So this is the monthly chart of Tellurian INC. More so over, so if you're looking at this particular stock, this stock is overall a very flat, or as you can see, this has been moving in between a range. So this stock is completely flat over here and it's been moving in between a range. So what we have here something like this, right? So this is what we have here as far as the trend is concerned. Now first of all the stock must not go below 2.69. This is the first condition we have here. So 2.69 will be a strict stop loss and one should not go below 2.69. Second condition, the stock must surpass 5.1 or 5.2 to be specific. Okay, so if these two conditions met, we have the upper end of the range which is open for us, and it is with our first target of $21 and can extend up to $31 or $32. So right now it is holding above 2.69 or 2.7, that's fine. But once it started sustaining above 5.2, it would give you much more upside and push the price in the long term towards 21 and 31 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.